We are in Florence, Oregon, and we're camping right on the river. And this is what I love about the mornings. Pretty great, right? Come here. I normally sit at our little dinette table in the morning and I journal and answer emails and stuff. And if I open up all of the windows, look at my view. Oregon knows how to do bridges.
Okay, it's got a big arch over there over the river.
Ooh. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. What do we got here? Restless waters. I know how you feel.
This is the loop.
Oh. Oh, it is. I love how the rock out here is this like crazy black lava rock, like that bumpy stuff. But then there are these other rock formations out of some sort of different material that look like trails. You see that? Isn't that neat? It's like a whole road of rock. And that leads out to Thor's well, which was really cool. But also I can see it being very dangerous if I died. Ryan's waiting for me, so I should probably follow this rocky trail. We stopped in a little beach town called Yachats? Yachts? I don't know how to pronounce it. I should probably find out. But it's a beautiful little town. Wow. By the beach. And we stopped at a handmade candy shop called Toppers. And we got some chocolate. This is a chocolate dipped homemade marshmallow. Look at that thing. It's huge. Ryan's already eating his caramel sea salt. How is that?
Really good.
And then we also got an almond turtle. Where are the turtles? Give us the turtles now.
Ooh.
Oh, and he also got some, they called it sea foam, but it's like honeycomb.
honeycomb.
Or if you're from New Zealand, it's hokey pokey. We've had a bit of a rough morning, so we're gonna self-medicate with some homemade chocolates.
And then ice cream.
And a beautiful view of the beach. I really can't wait to, where are we going?
This way.
You just stopped long enough so that you could have, God, this is enormous. All right, I'm gonna bite into this.
Do you want me to stop some more?
It was so good. It was really good. Look at this. Doesn't that look so good? Ah! Oh. The almonds are salted and roasted.
Yeah.
So good. Well done, toppers. This is a really cool beach. Really neat rock formations. The sand is packed so hard. There's like no footprints on it. Look at this little cove. So cool. I walked out here to the pointy rocks because I had to try and see. Ryan's got porous shoes on, so he didn't come because you have to kind of walk over all these rocks, but I have these boots on. But I should probably head back because I think the tide is coming back in, and I don't want to leave Ryan by himself because that's not fun. So I'll head back over there. I'm just going to take a few pictures and a little bit of video for him, show him what it's like over here, and then giddy up. So I think this has to be just about the coolest bridge ever.